Hi, I'm Dana with CandleScience, and today I'm going to show you how to make custom room and linen spray. This is a really simple recipe that is made up of only 3 ingredients: CandleScience EcoBase room and linen spray, fragrance oil or essential oil, and water. Some additional items you need are bottles, sprayers, funnel pouring pitchers, a scale, small glass container, a stirring utensil, scissors, paper towels, and optionally a funnel. You can see the full list of materials in the description below, and we've linked the written tutorial as well. Let's get started. This recipe will make 6 4-ounce bottles of room and linen spray. If you'll be using different sized bottles or making different sized batch, you can always use the calculator linked below. Before we begin, make sure your materials and workspace are clean. I used rubbing alcohol, and you can use that or a 5% bleach solution. Now I'm going to grab some scissors because we need to cut the sprayer tube to fit the bottle. The fine mist sprayers work with both the 8-ounce and 4-ounce bottles. You'll just want to adjust the length to fit whichever size you're working with. To adjust, hold the sprayer flush with the bottle top and cut the tube at an angle slightly longer than the bottle height. Repeat this with every sprayer. Next, you'll want to weigh out the room spray base. Place a clean funnel pouring pitcher on your scale and press tare. Weigh out 142 grams of concentrated room and linen spray base and set aside. Then you're going to weigh out your fragrance oil. Place a clean glass beaker on your scale and press tare. Weigh out 35 grams of fragrance. I'll be using Sunwash today, but you can use fragrance oil or essential oil. Just be sure to check the product page and the IFR document of your scent to be sure that it's good to use. Now it's time to add the fragrance to the base and mix thoroughly until clear. This creates a new solution. The color of the fragrance oil or essential oil may affect the final color of the solution, and it could also appear a bit cloudy in some cases, but this is totally fine and does not affect the performance or quality of your finished product. The EcoBase room and linen spray is a concentrate, so you need to add water to it. We formulated the base without water to help keep shipping costs low and increase the number of finished products you'll be able to make. To weigh the water, place a clean funnel pouring pitcher on your scale and press tare. Weigh out 531 grams of distilled or tap water. You can use either. Then add your water to the solution of base and fragrance and mix thoroughly. All that's left is to pour the finished room spray into the bottles. A note: liquid products are sold in volume measurements, so fluid ounces or milliliters. We recommend using your pitcher to measure out 4 fluid ounces into each bottle. And if you'd like, you can also use a funnel to help make pouring even easier. Now the bottles should not be filled all the way to the top, as the excess space allows for the product to expand during warm weather shipping, as well as providing some room to shake the spray before use. Then just attach the sprayers to the bottles and you're good to go. Now these sprayers do come with a lock button that is really helpful for shipping, travel, and preventing accidental spraying. And that's it! You're ready to make your own custom room and linen spray. But if you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'd be happy to help. We'll see you next time!